Hello friends, my name is Jaswant Singh Bhati. I have secured All India Rank 84 in GATE 2020 Electrical Engineering paper. Also I have completed my Masters in Power System from NIT Kurukshetra. Today I am here to give my review on GATE 2021 Electrical Engineering paper. So let's get started. To deliver more content in less time, I have prepared few slides. Let's continue. Here you can see the major changes in GATE 2021. Mainly there are 4 changes. Number 1, MSQ, multiple select questions were added. Number 2, one candidate can appear in 2 papers. Number 3, third year students allowed. Number 4, minor changes in the syllabus. These changes were not big, but yes, IIT Bombay has given updated syllabus, so in which few topics were added and few were removed. So in conclusion, it was not a big issue at all. Now, here I have prepared the subject-wise weightage analysis of GATE 2021 Electrical Engineering paper. Out of 65 questions, there were 34 MCQs and 31 numerical answer type questions. In this table, there is one major point to be observed, that is from starting 4 subjects, the total marks covered are 50 out of 100, that is 50% of entire paper. That subjects are General Aptitude, Power System, Engineering Mathematics, Electrical Machines. Coming to difficulty level of each subject, General Aptitude section was quite easy. Power System, we can say moderate to tough. Engineering Mathematics were easy. Electrical Machines, moderate questions, and questions are from expected areas like transformer and induction machine. Analog Electronics, easy to moderate. Signal and System, easy than GATE 2020 paper, but they have touched unexpected, or you can say usually ignored topic. But if someone have good knowledge of basics, then he or she can easily solve the questions. Network Theory and Control System, both were easy to moderate. Power Electronics, moderate. Fundamental based questions were asked. EM Theory, moderate to tough, and number of questions asked were also quite good. And Digital Electronics and Measurement, both were quite easy. If we compare this year paper with last 2 years, then we can see that the level of GATE 2021 was somewhere in between GATE 2019 and GATE 2020. So we can say this paper was of moderate level. In this slide, I have mentioned the expected cutoff for GATE 2021 Electrical Engineering paper and expected ranks at different categories of marks. Again repeating, this analysis is done only based on my observation by considering various parameters in mind. So this may vary in actual result. Now the main thing is, what are the few key learnings from GATE 2021? Number 1, one should focus on basics rather than going behind so much of theory and formulas. Number 2, previous year questions are very helpful during preparation of GATE exam. As this year also many questions in the paper were related to the concepts asked in previous years GATE papers. Number 3. Accuracy is the key to success in the GATE exam. Number 4. As we know, the competition is increasing day in and day out, so cutoff in the exam is increasing irrespective of the difficulty level of the exam. You can contact me for your queries related to GATE exam and interviews at IITs and PSUs on Quora as well as on LinkedIn. At both the places you can find me by searching my name Jaswant Singh Bhati. Also keep in touch with me on findmytest.com. Thank you friends for watching this video till end. If you have any query, any doubt, please put it in the comment section. I will try my best to answer your queries. Thank you.